Question number 26. A pendulum oscillating near the surface of the earth swings with a time period t. So pendulum, what is the time period of pendulum? T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. Okay. What is the time period of the same pendulum near the surface of the planet Mercury? This is for the earth. For the Mercury, how will it be? This should once again be equal to 2 pi into root of L by G Mercury. L is not changing. G Mercury will change. What is Mercury value? The value of the gravity is 0.4 G. So I will write this as 2 pi into square root of L divided by 0.4 G. Now what will this be? Now I don't want to change the value of G here. So this will be 4 by 10, which will be around 2 pi into square root of 2.5 into L by G. This is what I get. 1 by 0.4 is 2.5. 2.5, when I use my calculator and get this value, I get this as 1.6, right? 1.6 into 2 pi into square root of L by G. So which should now be equal to 1.6 times T, right? So answer is C.